Hello, how to solve this exponential problem? This is -7 raised to the power of n equals 7. We will solve for the value of n that satisfies this equation, so I can express this -7 here as product of -1 times 7, and this is raised to the power of n, and this equals 7. Now, if you have a times b raised to the power of c equals a power c times b power c, applying this right here, of -1 power n times 7 power n equals 7. So from here, I apply log, or let's make use of natural log. I have natural log of -1 power n times 7 power n equals natural log 7. Now, if you have natural log a times b equals natural log a plus natural log b. Applying this right here, I will simply have natural log -1 power n plus natural log 7 power n equals natural log 7. And also, if you have natural log a power b equals b times natural log a, applying this right here and here, I will simply have n times natural log -1, because this n comes behind this. Then I have plus n times natural log 7 equals natural log 7. So from here, if you have e power I times pi plus 1 equals 0, meaning e power I times pi equals -1. So we replace this -1 here. With this, I have n times natural log equal I times pi plus n times natural log 7 equals natural log 7. Then from here, we go back to the same identity. Remember, if you have natural log a power p equals p times natural log a, so I pi comes behind this. I will simply have I pi times n times natural log e plus n times natural log 7 equals natural log 7. So from here, natural log e is 1. So we have I pi times n plus n times natural log 7 equals natural log 7. So let's factor out n from here. I have n times this divides n, I have I pi plus this divides n, I have natural log 7 equals natural log 7. So from here, I isolate n by dividing this by I pi plus natural log 7, dividing this by I pi plus natural log 7. Let's cancel this. F n equals natural log 7 divided by I pi plus natural log 7. So this becomes our answer for n. So let's also solve this using a different approach. So here we have negative 7 power n equals 7. And we also express this as negative 1 times 7 power n equals 7. Then we consider this. If you have square root of negative 1, this equals I. If you raise this to the power of 2, that means you have negative 1 equals I power 2. So this negative 1 here is I power 2. I power 2 times 7. Raised to the power of n equals 7. So what I'm going to do will be to apply natural log. I have natural log of I power 2 times 7 power n equals natural log 7. Now remember, if you have natural log a power p equals p times natural log a, so the n comes behind this. So you have n times natural log I power 2 times 7 equals natural log 7. And if you have natural log a times b equals natural log a plus natural log b, this is my a, this is my b, and this n is outside here. So we simply have 10 times natural log I power 2 plus natural log 7 equals natural log 7. And remember, natural log I power 2 is the same thing as 2 times natural log I. That n times 2 times natural log I, because this 2 here comes behind this, plus natural log 7 plus natural log 7. So I can decide to isolate n by dividing this by 2 times natural log I plus natural log 7. Dividing this by 2 times natural log I plus natural log 7. Just cancel this. So we have n equals natural log 7 divided by 2 times natural log I plus natural log 7. So this obviously becomes our answer based on this particular approach. So we have two variations. Here we have natural log of 7 divided by, here we have 2 times natural log of I. While in this other part here, we have I times pi. So this simply means that 2 times natural log of I is the same thing as I times pi, because the both of them are obviously the same, and that is why the two solutions are correct. So guys, that is it, and don't forget to subscribe and share this video.